Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naim Abbas. I am your physics teacher. Today I deliver a lecture on question number 1.2. What is the difference between the base quantities and drive quantities? Give three examples. Base quantities, there are 7 physical quantities which form the foundation for other physical quantities. These physical quantities are called base quantities. There are length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, intensity of light, and amount of substance are example of base quantities. Drive quantities, those physical quantities which are expressed in terms of base quantities are called drive quantities. These include area, volume, speed, force, work, energy, power, electric charge, electric potential, etc. These are difference between these quantities, base quantities and drive quantities.